Field surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including architecture, construction, and urban planning. One such area where field surveyors are essential is in the field of SCON design. SCON, which stands for Site Characterization and Optimization Network, is a vital component in the design process of infrastructure projects. In Laxmi Nagar, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, the need for skilled and knowledgeable field surveyors is paramount. Field surveyors in Laxmi Nagar are responsible for gathering accurate data about the site conditions and characteristics. They meticulously measure and map the land, taking into consideration factors such as topography, soil composition, and existing structures. These surveys provide valuable information for architects and engineers to develop effective designs that are tailored to the specific needs of the site. The role of field surveyors in Laxmi Nagar extends beyond just data collection. They also conduct detailed research on local regulations and zoning laws to ensure that the proposed designs comply with all legal requirements. This includes obtaining necessary permits and clearances from relevant authorities. By collaborating closely with other professionals involved in the design process, such as architects and engineers, field surveyors contribute to creating projects that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also safe and functional. In addition to their technical skills, field surveyors in Laxmi Nagar must possess excellent problem-solving abilities and attention to detail. They often encounter challenges such as restricted access to certain areas or unexpected changes in site conditions. By being adaptable and resourceful, they find innovative solutions to overcome these obstacles and ensure accurate data collection. Furthermore, field surveyors in Laxmi Nagar must also be proficient in using advanced technology and equipment. Many sectors, including design, building, and urban planning, rely heavily on field surveyors. Designing SCON is one such area where field surveyors are crucial. Site Characterization and Optimization Network, or SCON, is a crucial step in the design of infrastructure projects. In Laxmi Nagar, a busy district of Delhi, there is a critical demand for informed and skilled field surveyors. Laxmi Nagar field surveyors are in charge of compiling precise information regarding the site's circumstances and attributes. They survey and map the site carefully, taking into account things like topography, soil composition, and already built structures. These surveys offer useful data that architects and engineers can use to create solutions that are suited to the particular needs of. Architecture, building, and urban planning are just a few of the areas where field surveyors are essential. In the subject of SCON design, for example, field surveyors are crucial. SCON, or the Site Characterization and Optimization Network, is an essential step in the planning of infrastructure projects. Field surveyors that are informed and skilled are desperately needed in Delhi's busy Laxmi Nagar district. Accurate information regarding the site conditions